In today's video, I will walk you through how to edit code in Replit. To get started, open the app or project that contains the code you want to edit. If you're starting from your Replit dashboard, select the project and wait for the workspace to finish loading. Once it opens, you'll be taken to the main editor view. This is where you'll make all of your code changes. Next, open the Files pane by clicking the Pane icon in the top right corner. This will display a sidebar that lists every file and folder in your project. If the Files pane is already visible, you can skip this step and continue. The main goal is to make sure you can clearly see the structure of your project so it's easy to find the file you want to work on. After that, locate the file you want to edit in the Files pane. Click the file once, and it will open in the main editor area. As soon as the file is open, you can begin making changes by typing directly into the editor. You'll see line numbers, syntax highlighting, and a blinking cursor showing where your edits will be made. As you work, Replit typically saves your changes automatically. You may also notice brief Git indicators that show your updates are being recorded. This allows you to continue editing without needing to manually save each change. If your project contains several files, pay close attention to which one is currently open before making edits. Some projects include multiple files with similar names, so it's important to confirm that you're working in the correct location before changing any code. Depending on the project, the main file could have a name such as main.py, index.js, or app.tsx. The exact file name depends on the programming language or framework being used, so simply select the file that matches the one you need to edit. If your project is organized into folders, you can expand or collapse those folders in the Files pane until you find the correct file. This makes it easier to navigate through larger projects and helps you quickly reach the section you want to update. If you ever lose track of where you were editing, return to the Files pane, locate the correct file again, and click it to reopen it in the editor. You can then continue making changes from where you left off. The process is simple. Open your project, display the Files pane if needed, select the file you want to edit, and begin typing in the editor. As long as you're working in the correct file, you can continue updating your code directly in the workspace. And that's all there is to it. Once the correct file is open in the editor, you're ready to edit your code, make changes, and continue working inside Replit. Thank you for watching.